I now call upon Umesh Chandra to give a speech in English.
Good morning to everyone present in the auspicious occasion of Republic Day. I wish our Vice Principal Ma'am and the viewers a happy Republic Day. As we all know, we have gathered here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our nation. Republic Day praised each year on 26th January has gained special significance throughout India's entire existence. Consistently, the national occasion is celebrated with lots of joy and bliss to make the occasion beautiful and memorable. It was on 26 January 1950 when the Constitution of India came into impact, and the day is celebrated as a national day to recognize and celebrate the occasion. We are all aware that India got its independence on 15th August 1947, yet the country didn't have its very own constitution. Rather, it was represented under the laws executed by the British. Nonetheless, after numerous consultations and revisions, an advisory group headed and adjusted the constitution on 26 November 1949 and authoritatively came into effect on 26 January 1950. The Republic Day festivities are held at the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath, in the presence of the President of India and the gathering of huge number of people from India as well as from other nations to celebrate the festivity and enthusiasm of the day. The President hoists the national flag and addresses the nation with Republic Day speech by encouraging words to all the people of India and others as well. Our leaders had done an immense job. Now it's our turn to uphold our country and its name. So what we should do? Unity of the nation should be our topmost priority. We have to work for the unity of the nation. A goodwill for all, protection of the weak, help for the victims, and a sympathetic attitude towards his fellow countrymen, fellow citizens are the qualities that are needed in us. We should have the spirit of cooperation, humanity, friendliness, dedication, and devotion towards our society. We must respect other faiths. We must not do anything that brings disgrace to his society or to his country. Greatest good for the greatest number of people should be our principle. Every school, college, and office celebrates and take an interest in the Republic Day and shows their energetic enthusiasm. This day is all about enthusiasm, respect, understanding the sacrifices, and hugely celebrating our freedom. I would like to end up my speech by saying Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's quote: "Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of our life. And its spirit is always the spirit of age." Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ms. Chandra, for inspiring